Welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Here are the top 5 angle grinder. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 5. Angle Grinder. The 125mm brushless cordless angle grinder is a powerful and efficient tool compatible with Makita batteries. Its brushless motor ensures longer lifespan, higher efficiency, and reduced maintenance. Ideal for cutting, polishing, and grinding tasks, it delivers smooth performance and excellent control. The cordless design enhances mobility, making it perfect for workshop and on-site use. With a durable body and ergonomic grip, it provides comfort during extended use, making it a reliable tool for professionals and users alike. Number 4. Angle Grinder. The Nubini 125mm brushless cordless electric angle grinder is a versatile and powerful tool designed for cutting, grinding, and polishing. With its brushless motor and 3-speed gear settings, it delivers strong performance, longer runtime, and less maintenance. Compatible with Makita batteries, it offers cordless convenience and portability for any job site. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while its durable construction supports heavy-duty use, ideal for professionals and users seeking efficiency, precision, and flexibility in one reliable tool. Number 3. Angle Grinder. The Onavan 125mm brushless angle grinder is a powerful and efficient cordless tool compatible with Makita batteries. Its 6-speed adjustable control provides versatility for grinding, polishing, and cutting tasks. The brushless motor ensures long life, stable performance, and reduced heat buildup. The ergonomic handle design and lightweight body make it comfortable for extended use, ideal for both professionals and users. This grinder delivers excellent power, precision, and convenience for metal pipe and surface work. Highly reliable and user-friendly. Number 2. Angle Grinder. The Electric Goddess 125-100mm brushless angle grinder is a powerful and efficient cordless tool designed for smooth cutting, grinding, and polishing tasks. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it delivers excellent performance with strong torque and stable speed. The brushless motor ensures long life, less heat, and low maintenance. Its ergonomic design and lightweight build make handling easy even for extended use, ideal for metal, wood, and stone work. This grinder offers great versatility and reliable performance for professionals and users alike. Number 1. Angle Grinder. The multifunctional cordless electric angle grinder is a powerful and versatile tool ideal for cutting, grinding, and polishing various materials. Its 16.8V rechargeable battery delivers consistent power, while the 28,000 RPM motor ensures fast and smooth performance. The cordless design offers excellent portability and convenience for on-site or projects. It's lightweight yet durable, with an ergonomic grip that reduces fatigue during extended use. A great all-around tool for professionals and hobbyists who need reliable performance and flexibility. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.